This mama bird is feeding her baby right on the bird feeder, trying to teach him to come down here and get the food yourself. You little brat. What kind of bird is that? Teach him how to come on down there and get it. He can get it. He's right there. This is why you got to feed it to him, because he's too young, I guess. You gotta get it from mama. Look, he's looking. He's like looking at it like, Mom, where are you getting that from? Give me some more. Give me some more of that. I think Mom kept that mouthful for herself. The squirrels have still been trying to climb the pole, folks, with no success. They're just hanging around on the ground, picking up the remnants of what's been dropped. I'm zoomed in really far. That's why it's kind of shaky. Sorry about that. Maybe if I don't know any better way to do this besides getting my tripod out, and I don't think I'm going to do that just for this. But this is pretty cool, watching the mama bird feed her baby right at the source of the food. Pretty incredible. Nature is wonderful. That bird seed's probably swollen and wet because it's been raining a lot. I probably need to go clean that thing out so it don't get fungus and start growing and whatever. But now let's just check this out for a minute. Watch mama feed her baby. Whoops. Where am I? Where am I? There we are. Oh, you ruined the party. What is that? What kind of bird is that? I don't know. There's a squirrel. Let's see if he tries. It's even more slipperier now because they've spread that Vaseline out and it's gotten wet. If he goes to crawl up that pole, I'll record it for you. He's trying. He goes up he doesn't get very far, folks. He tries. He gets about right there and stops, turn around and come back. On the ground is a squirrel and a dove, and on the dock is a blackbird. They must be knocking a lot of stuff out and dropping a lot of stuff they don't like for that squirrel to be down there on the ground eating. He's eating something. He keeps wanting to try to climb it, but he can't.